The CT Sounds Strato series has gained attention for offering serious bass at a mid-level price. But before you add one to your system, there are important red flags you need to consider. Today on Auto and Moto, we're breaking down 5 real-world warnings about the CT Sounds Strato subwoofers. First, efficiency isn't great. While the Strato series is powerful, it requires a lot of clean RMS wattage to perform at its peak. These subs are power-hungry, and without a high-quality amplifier and strong electrical support, you'll never fully unlock their potential, and your system may strain under the demand. Second, sound quality leans toward brute force over finesse. The Strato subs are built to hit hard, but musical accuracy suffers. Bass is deep and loud, but it can sound slightly muddy and less controlled, especially for genres that require tight, quick bass like rock, pop, or acoustic music. Third, enclosure sensitivity is critical. The Strato series demands a precisely built and tuned box. If you throw it into a cheap prefab enclosure, you'll get poor output, weak low-end extension, and high distortion. Without proper tuning, you won't hear the level of performance CT Sounds advertises. Fourth, thermal management under long sessions can be an issue. Although the Strato is well-built, aggressive use, especially in SBL-style setups, can cause heat buildup over time. Without careful tuning, proper ventilation, and conservative gain settings, the sub can lose efficiency or suffer long-term damage. Fifth, long-term durability reports are mixed. Some users praise the Strato for its initial performance, but after a year or more of heavy use, complaints about cone fatigue, spider sagging, and mechanical failures start to surface, especially in daily setups that push the subs near their rated limits frequently. In conclusion, while the CT Sounds Strato subwoofers deliver serious bass output for the price, important real-world compromises in power demand, musical precision, box dependency, heat management, and long-term durability mean they're not the right fit for everyone. Make sure your system and your expectations are ready for what the Strato demands. For more professional car audio reviews and real-world advice, subscribe to Auto and Moto.